Hello students, good afternoon. So in the last lecture we have discussed the topic called as the marketing. In that we have studied regarding the meaning of that is the marketing, and we have also studied regarding the meaning of the market and the concepts of the market. We have studied the various concepts of the market. So as you know, the meaning of a market means that is a place where the buyer and the seller they come together and exchange the goods and services for money or money's worth. So that is called as the market. The term market is derived from the Latin language called as the marketus, which means to trade or to mercantile, or the place where the business is transacted is called as the market. So that already we have studied the various concepts of a market. That we have studied the place concept, the commodity concept, the exchange concept, the area concept, the demand concept, and the digital concept. All these concepts we have already discussed. So today we have to begin with the marketing. Now, as regarding the marketing is concerned, the marketing it plays a very important role in almost all walks of a life. The marketing is very essential. So even in the business field or even in the non-business field also, the marketing is needed. Even in case of a business, to promote the goods, to increase the sales of a goods, and to capture that is the more and more market, the market is very essential. Even in the non-business field, like in the education field, even there also the keen competition is there. Or even in case of politics also, they also need the marketing. So in order to that is convey or to promote their own that is the policies or the ideologies, they also need the marketing. So in case of a business, the marketing is very essential. Then we have to study the meaning of a market. What is meant by what is meant by marketing? So that we have to discuss. So in order to have the complete idea regarding the marketing, the various that is the definitions are given, and we have to study the definition of marketing, and then we will discuss the same. So there are three definitions. One is the American Marketing Association, second one is the Philip Kotler, and third one is the World Marketing Association. So these are the three definitions. Out of this you may study any that is the one, and you can write the definition. So we will take the second definition called as the Philip Kotler. So according to him, marketing is a societal process. Marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and freely exchanging products and services of a value with others. So this is the definition of a marketing, which is given by Philip Kotler. So according to him, marketing is a societal process. It is a societal process. So marketing, it is societal process, means the businessman they should know the responsibility towards the society, and accordingly that is the goods are to be produced, and they have to produce the goods by taking into account the individuals and the groups who reside in the society, and they have to produce the goods. So how they have to produce? Groups obtain what they need. How the goods are to be produced? The marketing is concerned with the producing of the goods. Which type of goods? That is the individuals and the group of individuals who live in the society. What type of a product they want, so they need. So such, that is, the products are to be produced. They need. So you have to produce the goods according to the requirement of the customer. According to the requirement of the customer, their likes, the dislikes, the habits, the fashion, or even that is the cost. So everything is to be taken into account, and such, that is, the needs are to be fulfilled. So it is a marketing, it is a process or the activity which fulfills the needs of the groups and the group of individuals. So the marketing means what? Producing according to the requirement of the customer, what they need. So it doesn't mean that you have to produce the goods and you have to sell the goods according to their requirement. Then through creating a demand, the marketing, it creates the demand for the product. So it convinces, that is, the prospective customer to buy the product. So creating the demand, the marketing, not only it satisfies the needs of the customer, but it also, that is, creates the demand for the product, that is the product. Then and offers freely exchange of goods and services. So the goods are to be freely exchanged. You know the meaning of a freely exchanged. In the exchange concept you have studied, freely means what? That is without any, that is, the fraud or the misrepresentation or the coercion or the undue influence should not be there. So the freely exchanging of a product and services which has a value, which has a value with others. So the customer has a value of that product. So such, that is, the products are to be supplied to the customer. So that is called as the marketing. So the marketing is not just a mere, that is, the buying and selling. It is a very wider concept. It is a very wider concept, and it includes the various, that is, the activities. It includes the various process. It begins even before the production also. How it begins before the production? So the marketing is what? Marketing means, that is, the satisfying the needs of the customer, what they need. It identifies the need of the customer, and then it produces, that is, the goods and services, and it is exchanged. It is made available to the customer, those who need, those who have a value for it. So such, that is, a process is, or the activity is called as the marketing. So the marketing is a very wider concept. So the marketing, it makes available the goods to the customer who, that is, needs. Marketing means not selling a comb to the balded person. So the balded person, what he needs? The balded person, he needs such type of a medicine or the oil which helps to grow the hair. So such, that is, the products are to be supplied to the person who really needs it. It doesn't mean that a comb is to be sold. गंजे को क्या है, आप कंघी बेचना मार्केटिंग नहीं बोलते हैं. गंजे को क्या चाहिए वो फाइंड आउट करो, वो आइडेंटिफाई करो, और वैसे प्रोडक्ट उसको क्या करना है, सेल करो. जिसके मुंह में दांत नहीं है उसको क्या है, तुम चना बेचना, उसको मार्केटिंग नहीं बोलते हैं. उसको क्या चाहिए वो देखो, और वैसे प्रोडक्ट क्या करो, आप सप्लाई करो उसको. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द marketing. So the marketing means what? Identifying the needs of the customers and supplying such goods and the services which has a value for it. He needs it. So such goods are to be served. So that is called as the marketing. So is it clear the definition of a Philip Kotler? So from this you come to know the meaning of the market. So marketing, it is not a narrow concept, it is a very wider concept. It is not only just buying and selling of goods, but even to identify the needs of the customers, and accordingly these goods are to be made available to the final customer. The satisfaction to the customer is to be given, and even at the same time, that is the more profit is to be given to the businessman, and even it is to be produced for the benefit of the society. It should be beneficial to the society, that is to be taken into account, and such that is the goods are to be, that is supplied to the customer. Now see, nowadays, that is the, in case of a car manufacturing is concerned, we come across the new product, the old products, they are being stopped. Like in case of a manufacturing of a car, that is 6 BS cars they have came into existence, which are very environmental friendly, So why they have produced such, that is the cars? They have to see what is needed by the customer, and they have to see the profit, but they have not seen only this much, but beyond this they have seen that such product is to be environmental friendly, it should reduce the pollution. So such type of a product is produced. You know, that is the new machine which is introduced, that is called as the 6BS. So that is called as the marketing. So the marketing, it just not selling or supplying the goods whatever they have, but you have to produce such a goods which the customer he needs, he wants, and it should give the satisfaction to the customer, it should give the maximum profit to the businessman, and it should be beneficial to the society, it should be for the well-being of the society. So that type of products are to be supplied. So that is called as the marketing. So the concept of a marketing is very wide, and it includes various activities, it includes the various, that is the process. So that is called as the marketing. Now we have to study the, already we have studied the concept of a market and the types of market. It is not there for you. So now we shall shift to the need and the importance of a marketing. Need and importance of a marketing. So as regarding the need and importance of a marketing is concerned, in the modern world, as the keen competition is there, so in order to grow and in order to stand in the business world, that is the businessman, they needs their own, that is the marketing strategies. The marketing is to be done, and they have to capture, that is the more and more, that is the market for their product. So for that purpose the marketing is very essential, it is very important.